Hey, what up, everyone? My name is Fanuel. I'm with my co-host here, Prince, as welcoming you to Soccer Forensics. Done.
Fede?
Ukraine.
Oh, good, my boy.
Sweet, man.
Welcome, guys. Welcome to Soccer Forensics. This is a platform where you guys get the latest football news from Orkadi up until La Ekasi. Uzithola zishisa, uzithola zibhakwa la.
Yeah.
Ntwana?
Ntwana?
Sibaqala ngani fanda?
Ntwana yabo njengoba siphakathi ema-lightini kanje kusho ukuthi sekulate kakhulu manje. Sibamba sigijima siya ku-Royal AM.
Royal AM.
Yeah, Royal AM is back, man.
It's back into the Betway Premiership League.
Yeah.
But come on, my boy.
There's this businessman who was a KZN.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the guy sealed the deal. Yeah.
I heard Guti, he actually, there was a bid going on since Yakumbula Basho Guti Isar Sifuni Malayo.
Yeah.
And the bid, people were bidding Ushaye Bonke from Nangada Congo, Bebaifuna le team.
Yeah, Congo, Mpumalanga, Gauteng, Free State.
Kalapezgo.
Yeah. Mele KZN.
It's I don't know. Do you think it's a good thing for it to be bought? Also Kenani, since they need to pay all the debts le team a shotayo ngayo.
Yeah, Ntwana, only if azenza show ukuthi ayi relegation. Yeah, because once you have relegation Ntwana it's a loss. Yabona. Like manje the way izinto zingakhona manje. Untwana naye I think uyazi ukuthi i-risk lenta
i-risk into
yeah. So it's where risk management come in. So but it's a great thing ntwana khumbule ukuthi bekunama player lapha ya kune staff esilapha
so abantu babuyele Spanini
babuyele Spanini since naye apromisile ukuthi okay ama player njengoba babuyele Spanini like there is huge bonuses.
Just so they don't get back to relegation. Okay. As things stand, I don't know if it's a good thing for the thingy, for the the men who actually bought. I mean, for the league actually.
Yeah.
I want to say it's a good thing for the league. Reintroducing Royal AM back into the fixture. They still need to serve all the games and carry on like nothing happened. But then so you wanna say unfold because they need to move around dates and points and what.
Yeah.
But on to the next one. I don't know if you wanna add anything on that note, my boy.
No. I think we're covered. The only thing that people have to know, it's Royal AM. They're currently 11 games behind.
11 games behind.
Yeah,
and they still need to catch up.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ngifuna sijampele to Naturen.
Yeah.
Naturen ngibonile bathi hey uBobby lapha ukhiphe
makhosi. Yeah, bathi kwenzakalani Naturen?
uBobby ukhiphe ilento ibudget.
Sure.
Athi 80 meter yonke ufuna uyifaka lapho ufuna ukilahlela to ama player lawa azowasign for this transfer window since the league will be ending.
So ikutshela lento leyo budget 80
intimeter ne
ngebe ngetransfer A1
engitshela ukuthi ba serious bafuna ukumeasure the way igama labo bathi lisele khona ngithi they still wanted uMayele Fiston Mayele lapha Pyramids, and it was rumored ukuthi uFiston naye bayamfuna ngala eOrlando ngithola Europe, and his price tag is hefty. So I think that's what they also just trying to re-encrypt isilungu sithini phezu komuntu. But but uFiston nobani futhi boy
Fiston Mayele
uPasadine the left back ne ngoba niyashota fede lapha ku left back fede
ngapha no Andy Boyeli ama target akhona
but so far ngibonile nakhona uAndy bathi iPyramids ifuna ukureplace uFaisali
hayibo ngimfuna ngenhliziyo
Umayele bafuna ukureplace Umayele
Fiston
ngo-diving yabo of which bayathemba bathi yena in their books he's a great striker only 24 years of age wena umbona kanjani boy
ntwana currently lapha kusikhukhuna ntwana udlala grand yabo is their trusted striker
to replace Lona though.
So to replace Fiston Mayele, I think babheke age because Fiston Mayele is turning 31 if I'm not mistaken.
He's in his early 30s,
then Andy Boyle is only 23 turning 24. So I think babheke leyo nto leyo and ukhumbule ukuthi like iligi yethu ngapha like ayifana le yangara ngithola maybe bona indlela abazomsebenzisa ngayo
different ne?
Sure.
Okay. Bazomdlalisa in a different manner. Okay. Anyakuthola. But then so far Tina, PSL it's very, 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 very hard. It's difficult for a player to even like break through. Thola na abo Faisali. Abo Mayele mabafika ngapha kunyiwe bangabonakali next.
Ndwana. That is why risk into anamanje mawuzothatha i30 million or 40 million uhambe uyosana iblela ngaphandle. Ngithola like mele ube sure ukuthi hayi
lizokulethela
naku what's this African football like you dominate ngithola la kuma CAF
okay ngiyakuthola mafo ngiyakuthola let's just wait and see. I guess like you guys won't be fighting relegation. Phela nina ni Manchester yangapha. Manchester United yangapha. Niyazazi.
Never.
But then moving right along, the last topic, the last issue, the last matter that I want us to touch on is the Pirates la kumakhelwane wakho.
Escotini.
Escotini. Sakamabize.
Bathini kwesikama Mendeli isigodi.
Ntana basaphethe le ndaba yaka Saleng yabo? Saleng sesebhlungu but then ngiyalunga kancane ngiyalunga ngithola.
It's getting there.
The Spanish coach actually dropped bars on an interview. Mabambuza ukuthi like what's going to be happening regarding the future of him staying in the club.
Sure.
So Mambuza regarding of him as a coach staying in the club and then Bapinda Bambuza ngosaleng yabo.
Sure.
So with him, remember we had an episode nakona here saying that he might be looking at going back home in Spain yabo.
Sure.
By the end of the season. So uyadlala athi yena khona manje into ayibhekile is just ending the league and then after ending the league kuzobonakala ukuthi yena uzodecide but then so far
khuluma amashankura ntana
khuluma imali ne
like we have to submit a great offer
sure but that's the issue on him so naye angahamba and indaba kaSaleng nayo uyasho ukuthi okay like the matter kaSaleng has to be like discussed in the offices. It's not a matter of him not being supplying the quality that has been supplying on the training ground, on the field. It's just a matter of it being fixed officing yabo. But then if it's fixed before the end of the season uzobloma, but then if the matter is not being fixed before the end of the season uzohamba. So I think it's fair enough. Good news for everyone.
That's true. Usaling then like it's very, very, very sad ukubona a player elapha kule caliber ya Saling
ne
then like let's ne hope on ukuthi okay manje sesi like so channel kuya kubafana ngithola like next year we're going to FIFA World Cup obviously lapha yasiyaya yabo then there's AFCON then masweleka ama player afana nabo Saling man like come on So this issue has to be
fixed. So far, but then they if we are they're looking to replace him with Titus. From Mr. Stellenbosch.
Yeah.
They're looking at replacing Usaleng Titus and 24 years of age, a winger as well. Boy, when umbona kanjani, is he fit enough to fill in the boots yaka Saleng lapha?
Not just to fill in the boots of Usaleng, but just to add the squad, to keep the squad to the same number. Because like they can't replace Usaleng, man. Usaleng like he's a great player, man. Like a standout player. Kapini, Eliki, Africa. Come on, Usaleng is a great player. And don't replace now. Titus is a great player, a very speedy player. But match standard Usaleng because Usaleng was speedy, skillful foot, technique
okay,
unmatched.
Hi, I was looking at stats Titus, and but it's like 6 goals, with 4 assists in 21 league games. What does that tell you?
Yeah, ntona yena fere ilo grand yabo. Njoba ngisho ukuthi Titus is a great player. Ngithola for Stellenbosch. Yabo?
Yeah.
Not for ukuthi anga replace Usaleng, man. Like Usaleng mawungathi uyabheka nje manje ngabe like state sakhe is-10 manje.
Currently kuba uyadlala.
Yeah. So yabo
angicabanga ukuthi nalentwana urile bakazobonakala le uyabonakala ngakhona
Anthony Usaleng is star
ne
Usaleng is star take nothing from him, man. So yeah,
that's the lowdown. Do you want to add anything, my boy?
No.
Let's just hope the Saleng issue is getting like resolved to Simbone back on the field again. For everyone who loves soccer, loves Saleng, and would wish to see him back on the field again.
Yeah.
Whether Simbona lapha ku Royal AM akazibani. Uyajumpa.
Yena ngapha kumakhelwane. Izandla phezulu. Akhuthuze
mkhuthu.
Angena lapha natural.
Boy, that will be like the end of the video. I don't know. You want to add anything?
No. Thanks for the support, guys. Keep on supporting.
Yeah.
Keep on sharing, commenting, liking. For those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to Soccer Forensics.
Please do subscribe.
From me to you, one love. Peace.
Soccer Forensics. We out.